Hey, this is just a friendly announcement. My name, first of all, is Mo, and y'all see a lot of videos that I have on my page, and basically, it's just me having fun. You know, I'm not trying to be no super basis instructor or any type of thing like that. I'm just having fun. That's all, man. Basically, what it all boils down to is somebody wrote on one of my videos that I failed, and it was kind of funny because, you know, go on and try it yourself, you know, and then tell me that I failed at it. I don't feel that I fail at anything because I'm really just having fun. Like I said, once again, I'm a normal human being, working class dude, you know, do a little bit of everything. Have fun, do it all. So, you know, the dude and whoever else feels like they can do it better, then do it. That's what YouTube is for. And while you're at it, at least have some fun. Don't try to outstage or upstage or outdo anybody. Just be yourself. That's all you can be. That's all you ever will be. So, peace.